Good morning, students. How are you all? So, what is our topic today? We are going to learn about your creative skill, story writing. So, students, you know what is story writing? Story writing is a story which revolves around some main characters, some sub characters. It has a storyline, and by the end, it has some summarization, whether a positive thing or a negative thing. So let us look how should we write a story. Let us start with another writing skill of you people, that is story writing. Now let us focus how to write a story. We all are storytellers and story is all around us. After all, what is a TV show or a movie? What is a book? What do you tell your parents when they ask, "How was your day, dear?" You guessed it. It is a story only. When whatever day, however you spent your whole day, it becomes a story, right? So you can write a story about anything you want. All you need are the basics. You wouldn't bake a cake without knowing the ingredients, right? So before you write, it helps to know the ingredients of a story. There are 3 great secrets to creating a story. Unfortunately, nobody knows what they are. Just kidding. Actually, these are the secrets. Practice, practice, and practice. Practice makes a man work harder, right? So, I would like everyone to practice hard. Practice changed me from being a kid who liked to draw and write into an adult who has written and illustrated many children's books. Would you like to be a story writer too? I'll show you how. So, story structure. A story is like a snake. Zzz. With its tail and its mouth, it has a beginning, a middle, and an end. Some stories even end up in the same place they started. So, are you ready to write a story on your own? Then grab a pencil and paper or open up a new file on your computer. Away we go. So, for the very first start, we should have a main character. Main character is the person, animal, or thing your story is all about. Every story starts with a main character. It can be any animal, human, or thing you want it to be. One suggestion I want to like to give it to you. Try choosing a main character you like to draw. If you plan to illustrate your story, start by asking yourself some question. Who is your main character? What does he or she it like or dislike? What is your character's personality traits? What does your character look like? When you start getting answers, you can draw a character web like this example. Put your main character name in the circle in the middle and all of his or her characters along the lines coming out of the circle. Here's another hint. Draw a picture of your main character that will help you to visualize what he or she looks like. Now ask yourself these questions. Where does your story take place? On the moon, in Hawaii? So specify a place where the story take place or someplace completely different. When does your story take place? In the past, in the present, or in the future? How much does your setting affect your main character's problem? The setting you have placed in your story. So how does those things affect your main character? A very important tip. Use the magic of conflict. What is conflict? Yes, an argument, a fight, a disagreement is conflict. Conflict means someone or something tries to stop your character from solving the problem. The things which we usually see in our Bollywood movies, when the hero is around the corner to get success, something or the other comes in between as a hurdle to stop him doing or achieving his target. So this is the main thing, class. You have to think of a very interesting conflict. The more times your hero tries and fails, the better your story will appear to us. Ask yourself these questions. What is your main character's problem? Is it a big enough problem that will take a whole story to solve it? How does your main character try and fail to solve her or his problem? What are the measures he takes to win over? A hint I would like to give you: look back at your character web and see if one of your hero's characteristics can help him or her to solve the problem. It's even better if one of their faults turns out to be their strengths. Yes, sometimes it happens. Our weaknesses becomes our strength somewhere. How does your main character finally solve the problem? If possible, can they solve it using their own strength? Does the story or character end up back where it is started? So this is the main character where what I am talking about. The story lies between, and now what your story is telling, it is telling about the character, what is the context, what is the solution, what is the takeaway, and what is the problem. So for further reference, I would like everyone to go and refer to Diksha and Extra Mark apps. Students, do watch this video for your further queries. Thank you for now. Thanks for watching.